everyone, I'm Huggy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use IXL. So first, we log into the account, which is on top here, next to the search bar here. So you click sign in, you add your account and then click sign in. And then you'll see recommendations here. Or if you are doing the link that teachers are going to link to you, you should already be in a lesson. So if you found a lesson that you like in the recommendations, you just scroll down. And if you find something that you like this here, you click on try this. And then you will see learn with an example up here. So sometimes you won't see this, but sometimes you will see this. But if you don't see it, you can just do it wrong. Normally, just do it wrong. There, once you do it wrong, then it will tell you why it was wrong and will tell you that how to do this example thing. So once you know what to do, you can just click got it and then you just do the lesson. Okay, so when we are done, you would see something kind of like this. So you'll see the time, the score, and then questions. So if you want to do it again, then you just click recommendations up here and then just do it. But for the ones the teacher linked, you have to remember the ID and chapter and grade of the lesson. So these are the lesson. The lesson is language arts up here, the blue one. And the grade is 8th grade and the ID is C1. So once you remember it, so language arts, 8th grade and C1, you click on analytics here and then click questions and click select skill, which is language arts, and then grades, grade 8, C1. Then click view questions. And so these are the scores that we have. So the depths are like the errors that I made, so the mistakes, and you have after you reviewed your score, you click on this print button next to the questions log. And it will open a new tab and it's gonna say creating printable report. And then you have to download it as a PDF file. Now that it's here, then you just click the download button next to the print button. And then there'll be the folder. So you just type whatever you think is the best one for you, then just save, then yes. After that, it'll download onto your computer, and then go to the AI. And then we click on add or create over here, and then click file, and then click browse. So go to upload tab, and then browse. And then there'll be the screens here. So you go to the place where you installed your PDF file. So for me, it's in DEI and IXL1. And then load it in. And then it'll be in here. And then you can click turn in. And that's actually it for the IXL normally. But next, we're gonna learn about diagnostics. So it's the one in the middle of learning and analytics. So we go to diagnostics. So you see this keep diagnosing thing. It'll show you your scores in math and English. So my English is pretty good. Overall, it's about 700 to 900. And overall, my reading is 700 to 900 too. And for math, there'll be some like algebra that's 700 to 900. But there'll also be some that I didn't do yet. So these are the things that I haven't done in the questions in diagnostic. So how do you find your score? You just click on step into the arena under the arena. Then they'll make you choose a question. So You can choose either this one or this one. And once you chose, you can just click on one of them there and then answer it. So it will be 1/5. And this will be if it's correct or not. So that means it's not correct. And you can just, but when you don't know anything, if you don't know what to do here, you can just click I don't know this yet, and it'll just become a wrong answer. Well, not the track, but it won't lessen your score that much. So once you're done, you can just click see your levels, and then the levels will come up here, down here. So these two. So these will start to get filled up until you can see that there's a cylinder kind of. There's kind of like a cylinder oval thing over here, right? So if you keep doing it, it'll start getting smaller and smaller until it becomes a circle. So once it becomes a circle, there will be a star at the middle, and then that means that they already found your score. And if you want to show off or something, you can just click print here and do the thing that I told you in the AI here. And that's actually it for IXL. And bye!